friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. If you're new, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you hit that subscribe button and your bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos here. And I just hope you stick around. So today I'm going to be reviewing two very talked about products right now, and that is the Juvias Place I Am Magic Matte Foundation and their concealer. This is a velvety matte foundation, and then we have the concealer here. If you guys want to see me apply this, my review, and hear my thoughts, then please keep watching. Alright, you guys, so I already went in and put on my primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer today, and I went ahead and put that all over my face. The reason why I'm using a moisturizing primer is because this foundation claims to be very full coverage, and I did watch a few reviews on it. Nikki Tutorials was the first review I watched on it, and I did see that it looked very full coverage. Some people were saying that it's dry, so my skin's all over the place sometimes. So I decided to go ahead and use a moisturizing primer, and it says that the foundation is radiant, long-lasting, creamy, and comfortable. Our second skin creamy foundation offers a smooth application with a soft, natural, and soft matte finish to give a flawless coverage. A great formula to even out the complexion, refine skin texture, and erase blemishes, maintaining the initial finish throughout the day. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin and oily skin. Sorry, you guys, I'm blind, I don't have my contacts in, and I can't apply this with my glasses. So, anyways, it says to apply with a wet beauty sponge or synthetic makeup brush with sweeping and buffing motion all over the face. I'm going to be using both. I have my BH Cosmetics brush from its Ray Ray collection. This is the number 4. I think this is either a contour or a highlight brush, but I really like it for applying my foundation. And then, of course, I have my Real Techniques beauty sponge that I'll be going in with. So this foundation, you get 1.0 fluid ounce, and I got the shade Campella, which is 340. I was very, very scared about getting my shade, even though Trend Mood, and I believe it's on Juvia's Place page as well, put up like swatches, and they also did like if you wear 420 in Fenty, then you'll wear this shade in Juvia's Place. But I didn't really want to go by that, because if you were to look at my foundation collection, you'll see shades that are the same name that don't look the same, or just the tones look a little bit different in the foundations. So hopefully this works out. I'm going to try and make it work. I did swatch it on my arm yesterday on a vlog video, which will be up on my second channel, Shanae's Life, so make sure you check that out. So we're going to get into this. I guess a little bit goes a long way. This is the foundation bottle. If you guys can tell, it is pretty small, but 1.0 fluid ounce is actually quite a bit of product, and if a little bit really does go a long way, then I'm going to have this for a while. So this foundation is $20 on the Juvia's Place website, and I put a pretty generous amount here on my brush. I'm going to kind of spread that on my face just a little bit to get this started, and then I'm going to buff in with the brush here. The shade looks a little light right now. It is definitely creamy, but we're going to work with it and see what happens. So I'm just going to get this kind of spread on my face with the brush, and then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender to really tap it into the skin and just give it that flawless look.
Do you remember, boy, when you were so cool, when you played the thief and I played the fool? Gonna make you move, I'm making move, I'm making move. Been so long crying over you, now I'm coming your way, gonna make you move. Gonna make you move, I'm making move, I'm making move. Prison faces in the sun, now your dagger is in my head.
Okay, wow. Okay, Juvia's Place. I am definitely here for this. Wow. Like, my face and my skin just looks amazing. I feel like on camera, I might look a little pale, but I promise you guys, in person, this is a dead-on match. Like, give myself a pat on the back. Good job, Sheena, picking out some foundation for yourself online. And if you guys have ever done that, it is not easy to do. It's so much better when you can, try the foundation in person, give it a swatch or whatever to get as close to your skin as you possibly can. But this looks good. This looks really good, really flawless. It is very creamy. I felt like, I needed to work a little quickly because it was, drying down pretty fast, but I feel like that tends to happen with full coverage, matte foundations, but it is definitely like creamy, velvety, so that is true so far. Wow, I am so impressed. Juvia's Place, I'm here for it. So far, so good. Obviously, the true test is going to be, my check-in and seeing how it wears later on. And I figured today was a really good day to test out this new foundation. One, because I've been dying to test it out since I seen that Juvia's Place came out with it, because I love Juvia's Place products. My eyeshadow is actually Juvia's Place as well today. So I am really, really liking this so far. And plus, it is kind of hot in Ohio today. It's been kind of like muggy hot, so this is definitely the perfect day to try this out. So now we're going to go in with the I Am Magic Concealer from Juvia's Place, and you get 0.3 fluid ounce. I Am Magic Concealer. Conceal and Perfect our Magic Creamy Radiant Concealer smoothens and conceals out dark circles, blemishes, and skin imperfections. So we're going to give this a shot, and the shade that I got in this was number 12. I figured that this was like perfect. It looks like all my other concealer shades, but can we just talk about how big this is? Huge. Huge, huge. I love the packaging, and I'm going to show you guys the doe foot applicator because it really does look like the Tarte Shape Tape applicator or like the Makeup Revolution's concealer applicator. I like this. So we're going to go in and see how this goes on. Really creamy. A little bit goes a long way. That's a lot of concealer under my eye, but we'll make it work. Alright, that blended beautifully, and it is like kind of radiant, like it looks good underneath the eyes. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just use my Fenty Beauty setting powder. Y'all know I love this. I have it in the shade Honey, so I'm just going to set my under eyes down really quickly because this will crease. It definitely will crease. I know, Nick tutorial said it doesn't set down on its own. You need to set it with a product. And on, I think it was Juvia's Place, I said you need to, set it down. So, alright, so that is set down, and I always like set my forehead because it tends to get oily right here in the summertime, my T-zone area, and for some reason it gets oily like right here in the summer. But I noticed before I even put the Fenty powder, this was not starting to get oily. Like this foundation fully dried down, and I think my skin looks really good. So what I'm going to do is go off camera and finish applying the rest of my products because this review is solely focused on the foundation and the concealer, and I will be right back to show you guys the completed look, and we will go from there, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I've got all of my products applied to my face. I did use a Juvia's Place highlight as well as I think I said the eyeshadow palette. And on the lips, I used a Juvia's Place matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Candice. I did order this when I ordered the foundation and concealer. This is the Impress Lip Collection, and it comes like this. It comes with a metallic, but I gifted the metallic one to my mom for her birthday because if you guys have been around for a while, you know I'm not really into metallic liquid lipsticks. I'm not really super into gloss, but I've been venturing out and trying to do gloss and stuff like that, especially with it being summertime and just wanting to pop something on and go and not have to worry about like the lines in my lips showing. But anyways, you guys, this concealer and this foundation, bomb. Again, the foundation retails for $20 and the concealer retails for $14, and I do believe they have 42 foundation shades. So yes, they have 42 foundation shades and 24 concealer shades. That is seriously amazing, you guys. Yes, this foundation is full coverage, but I don't feel like it's cakey. I don't feel like it's drying up my skin. It's very comfortable. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, which is amazing. You guys, I got to get out of here and head to work, but I can't wait to come back and check in after wearing this all day. I mean, that's going to be the true test. I think that the match is great. It blended with ease. So this might be my new favorite foundation, and again, a little bit goes a long way. So you guys, I will see you in our check-in. It is currently 11:15 a.m. and my check-in I think will be around like 6:30ish when I get home and everything. So I can't wait to see what this looks like. Anyways, you guys, I will see you in the check-in. Alright, you guys, so I am here with the check-in. It is almost 6 o'clock and I'm in the bathroom, so sorry if the lighting's off, but I just want you guys to like see my face. Yeah, my nose is like oily, but it's like oily with highlight as well. Forehead does not look too bad. Normally it looks like super like sweaty like, but nothing's coming off. So it looks good. My under eyes I feel like look pretty decent as well. Sorry about the sunglass lines. But yeah, so I am loving the new Juvia's Place foundation and concealer so far. I'm going to wear it again tomorrow because Nay and I are going to Pride, so that's going to be a true test, being outside, being hot, being sweaty. But yeah, I got to give this a 10. I'm confident I can give it a 10. I love the way my face looks. I think it still looks good. So we will see. I will keep you guys more updated on the foundation and the concealer as I wear it a little bit more. That is it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell notification so you're not missing out on any more videos here with me. And you guys, leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you picked up the new Juvia's Place concealer and foundation and what you think of it. And as always, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.